Hi, welcome to TECHHELPLINE channel, and this is the tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to download BeReal app on an Android device. First, you should have a good internet connection. I have already downloaded the app, so I'm just gonna uninstall or remove app for the video. Okay, the first step to download the BeReal app is to open up Play Store. At the top you can see a search bar. Just tap on that and type BeReal, B-E-R-E-A-L. And here it is. The first one is the BeReal app. Tap install and wait for some time. After it is installed, open your BeReal app, log in your credentials, and enjoy using BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.